Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put into the square root of y over the square root of x plus 1. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the x go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we can put y to the power of negative 1 over 2. The square root that is about 1 over 2. If we want to put this one go to numerator, the power we need to have the negative side, similar for the second one. Now we have the formula in here. So if we apply this one in here, that is about y to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1. Now we go to the second one. So this one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. And now we have the conditions. So we put number 9 and number 3 cone here to find the value of C. So this one we calculate and we have number 6. This one we calculate and we have number 4. Now we put number 4 go to the left and we have 6 minus number 4 equals to number 2, and number 2 that is about C. So we put the value number 2 cone here, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.